Have you ever wondered about the diverse bird species in Kenya? Kenya, a country in East Africa with a landscape as diverse as its bird life, is a paradise for avian enthusiasts. From the sun-drenched coastal areas to the dense forests, the sweeping grasslands to the soaring mountain peaks, each region hosts a unique set of bird species. The coastal areas are a haven for seabirds, while the forests such as the Kakamega and Aberdare are teeming with a myriad of bird species, each adding a vibrant splash of colour and a symphony of sounds to the lush greenery. Meanwhile, the grasslands echo with the calls of birds of prey, their piercing eyes scanning the plains for their next meal. This rich diversity in bird life is a testament to Kenya's natural wealth, making it a prime location for birdwatching. So, are you ready for an avian adventure? Join us as we embark on a journey to discover some of the most enchanting bird species found in Kenya. Imagine walking along Kenya's shimmering coastline, greeted by the sight of vibrant bird species. As the sun rises, painting the sky with hues of oranges and pinks, the coastal regions of Kenya awaken with the symphony of chirps and tweets. Among the myriad of bird species in this area, two particularly stand out: the crab plover and the greater flamingo. The crab plover, with its distinctive black and white plumage, is an intriguing character. It gets its name from its unique diet, which primarily consists of crabs. Interestingly, these birds have a peculiar way of hunting. They wait patiently by the water's edge for the tide to recede, then dash to the exposed mudflats to feast on the crustaceans left behind. But it's not just their diet that makes them fascinating. Crab plovers are also known for their monogamous relationships, with couples often staying together for many years. On the other hand, the greater flamingo, with its long, slender neck and legs and its vibrant pink feathers, is a sight to behold. These birds are filter feeders, sifting through the water with their curved beaks to filter out small organisms, which contributes to their iconic pink color. Did you know that flamingos are social birds and prefer to live in large groups, sometimes numbering in the thousands? It's truly a sight to behold when these large flocks take flight, painting the sky pink. When it comes to breeding, both species have interesting habits. Crab plovers dig burrows in sandy banks or dunes for their nests, while flamingos build mound-like nests from mud, where they lay a single large egg. In the grand tapestry of Kenya's coastal avian life, the crab plover and the greater flamingo are just two threads. There are countless other species, each with its own unique story, contributing to the enchanting melody that greets every dawn. The coastal regions of Kenya, a paradise for birdwatchers, brim with life and colour. Deep within Kenya, the Kakamega forest, a true birdwatcher's paradise awaits. Shrouded in a rich tapestry of green, the Kakamega forest is home to a myriad of unique bird species. Among them is the striking blue-headed bee-eater, a sight to behold with its vibrant plumage. This bird is the epitome of grace and agility as it dives through the air, scooping up bees and other insects in mid-flight. It's a spectacle that showcases nature's intricate choreography. The blue-headed bee-eater is not just a skilled flyer, it's also a master architect. The bird carves out a burrow in a sandbank for its nest, creating a safe haven for its chicks. This is a testament to the bird's ingenuity and tenacity, a survival strategy honed over millennia. Sharing the canopy with the blue-headed bee-eater is another dweller of the Kakamega forest, the Turner's eremomola. This petite olive-green bird is a melody maker, filling the forest with its melodious song. The Turner's eremomola has a unique nesting pattern, preferring to build its nests high up in the trees, well out of reach of ground-based predators. The Turner's eremomola, despite its small size, is a resilient survivor. It has adapted to life in the forest, utilizing its agility and quick wit to navigate through the dense foliage. This bird is a testament to the strength and adaptability that life in the Kakamega forest demands. The Kakamega forest, with its verdant canopy and diverse bird life, is a living testament to the wonders of nature. Each bird, with its unique traits and behaviors, paints a vibrant picture of life in the forest. From the blue-headed bee-eater's graceful flight and ingenious nesting, to the Turner's eremomola's melodious song and high treetop nests, these avian marvels are a testament to the diversity and adaptability of life on our planet. The Kakamega forest, A symphony of sounds and colours holds a world of avian wonders. Up in the highlands, the Aberdare Forest is a sanctuary for some of Kenya's most breathtaking bird species. As we journey into the heart of the Aberdare Forest, let's take a moment to appreciate the symphony of bird calls that fills the air, each one an echo of life thriving in this high-altitude haven. Nestled in the lofty eucalyptus trees and thick bamboo thickets, you'll find an array of bird species, each with its unique song and story. Consider the Aberdare cisticola, a small, unassuming bird with a powerful voice. This little bird's call is a melody that rings throughout the forest, a testament to its resilience in the face of the harsh highland climate. Despite its size, the Aberdare cisticola has adapted to the cold, wet conditions of its home, donning a thick layer of feathers that keep it warm, even in the chilliest of highland mornings. Now, cast your mind's eye to the vibrant scarlet-tufted sunbird, a jewel among the Aberdare's avian inhabitants. This bird's radiant plumage is a stunning contrast to the forest's greenery, a spark of life against the verdant backdrop. This sunbird, like its relatives, feeds primarily on nectar, flitting from flower to flower in a tireless quest for sustenance. Its long, curved beak is perfectly adapted for sipping nectar from the blossoms it frequents. These birds, along with their fellow forest inhabitants, have intricate social structures just as complex as our own. They court, they squabble, they cooperate, and they compete, each species playing its part in the forest's intricate tapestry of life. They're a testament to the adaptability and resilience of life in the face of challenging conditions. So, as we leave the Aberdare Forest behind, let's carry with us a sense of wonder at the rich avian life it harbours. Let's remember the Aberdare cisticola's song echoing through the trees, the scarlet-tufted sunbird's vibrant hues lighting up the forest, and the myriad other bird species making their home in this highland sanctuary. The Aberdare Forest, a high-altitude haven, teems with bird species as diverse as the landscape itself. With such diverse bird species, Kenya has a significant role in global bird conservation. This role is not taken lightly, as various organizations and local communities have stepped forward, making commendable strides in preserving the habitats and protecting the bird species from illegal hunting. These efforts range from policy implementation to grassroots movements, all geared towards one goal: preserving Kenya's rich avian biodiversity. Let's start with the Kenyan government's role. It has established over 60 national parks and reserves, including the Kakamega and Aberdare forests, to safeguard the habitats of these spectacular bird species. In addition, through its Wildlife Conservation and Management Act, it has laid down stringent penalties for illegal hunting and trading of birds, a move that has significantly curbed these destructive activities. Moving away from the government, numerous non-governmental organizations have also taken up the mantle. The East African Wildlife Society, for instance, has been at the forefront of advocating for bird conservation through research, policy advocacy and public awareness campaigns. The Nature Kenya Society, on the other hand, works directly with local communities, empowering them to protect their native bird species and habitats. Speaking of local communities, they too have risen to the challenge. Many have formed community-based organizations, such as the Friends of Kinangot Plateau, which plays a significant role in the conservation of the endangered Sharp's longclaw. They're protecting habitats, raising awareness, and even turning to bird-based ecotourism as a sustainable source of income. Finally, there are the individual conservationists, the unsung heroes who dedicate their lives to the preservation of these beautiful creatures. Through their tireless efforts in research, advocacy and on-ground conservation, they're making a real difference. Despite these strides, the work is far from over. Threats such as habitat loss due to deforestation and climate change, illegal hunting and pollution still loom large. But with continued effort and a united front, we believe that the future of Kenya's vibrant bird life can be secured. The future of Kenya's vibrant bird life rests in our hands, and every effort counts. Our journey through Kenya's bird life has been nothing short of inspiring. We've embarked on a voyage through the vibrant coastal regions and into the heart of the Kakamega and Aberdare forests, each brimming with their unique avian wonders. In the coastal regions, we've marveled at the striking beauty of the fishes turaco and the lesser flamingo. The Kakamega forest introduced us to the elusive Turner's eremomela and the great blue turaco, while the Aberdare forest enchanted us with the rare and beautiful Abbott's starling and the Hartlob's turaco. But our journey didn't stop at just observing these magnificent creatures. We delved into the critical conservation efforts that Kenya is undertaking to protect its feathered inhabitants. We've seen how preserving these birds is not just about maintaining biodiversity, but also about preserving the rich natural heritage of Kenya itself. Kenya, a birdwatcher's dream, is a testament to nature's grand symphony. The songs of its diverse bird species echo the country's rich natural heritage, waiting for us to listen and cherish.